Alright guys, today I'm doing a review. These are the original Chimes Ginger Chews. Check this out, these are on sale. Non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, of course. Let's take a look at the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. 28 grams of sugar per 10 pieces. So you got cane sugar, ginger, and tapioca starch. So let's try this out. I've never tried this brand, so I'm going to open it up and be right back. Alright, so this is what they're all individually wrapped and it comes in like this, so they look like a little taffy. So they're soft. Yeah, think of it like a soft taffy ginger. Just, it's good. Really good ginger flavor. Very similar to the other ginger chews that you can get. But check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel. Taste-wise, it tastes pretty much the same.